Hello, dear children. Today in English Reader, we will do lesson number 11. Jerry is a good boy now. Very good morning to all my dear lovely students. How are you? Today in the English Reader, we are going to start a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Jerry is a good boy now. This is your lesson number 11. And first of all, today you are going to write first date 26/2/2021 and classwork. Now here it's a story of a few children who are studying in the same class. A new boy comes into a new girl rather comes into their class and joins them as a classmate. And that what happens, because this Jerry is a boy who is very naughty and very stubborn, but the new girl tries to improve her and ultimately he becomes a good boy. So this is all about the story. Jerry is a good boy now. First, we are going to read the starter kit. A bully is a person who uses his strength to frighten or hurt a weaker person. So what is the meaning of a bully? A bully is a person, जो ऐसा व्यक्ति जो अपनी ताकत से लोगों को डराता है, जो दुबले पतले या वीक लोग होते हैं उनको अपनी ताकत से डराता है या उनको परेशान करता है. That person is called as a bully. Is there a bully in your class? Is there a bully in your school? और what will you do if he bullies you? आपके स्कूल में कोई ऐसा है जो आपको डराता है, धमकाता है, अपनी ताकत दिखाता है, या स्कूल में कोई ऐसा है, या अगर ऐसा कोई करता है तो आप क्या करेंगे? Now see, this is a Tom who is very angry and annoyed and frustrated. Now we'll read the story. It's a nice little story. You people, all children do such naughty things in the school, but sometimes it's time now that you should learn to behave and be a good children if you are doing such things. Now get set. Everyone gave Jerry sweets. Some children even gave their toys. No one ever said anything unkind to Jerry, but no one liked him. He was a bully. Now there's a one child in the class named Jerry. Jerry नाम का एक लड़का है जो क्लास में, सब लोग उसको क्या देते हैं, अपने स्वीट्स देते हैं, बर्थडेज पर चॉकलेट्स देते हैं, अपने टॉयज देते हैं, और इवन सम ऑफ देम gave their toys and chocolates, everything to Jerry, but and no one ever asked or said anything to the Jerry also. किसी ने कोई उसको अनकाइंड या कोई बुरी चीज़ उसको नहीं कही है, but no one liked Jerry also because he was a bully, because he was very powerful. मतलब वो बहुत ही उसमें जो था वो स्ट्रेंथ वाला था, इसलिए सब उससे डरते थे. तो जेरी वॉज अ बुली. This was your page number 125. Now we move on to page number 126. No one ever invited Jerry to a birthday party. No one ever called at his house, but almost everyone gave him gifts out of fear, not out of love. Now Jerry was such a boy, because you can see this picture. Jerry is मेकिंग फ्राइटनिंग समबडी. तो जेरी एक ऐसा लड़का था जिसको सब कोई भी अपने बर्थडे में इनवाइट नहीं करता था, कोई अपने उसको घर नहीं बुलाता था, और पर लेकिन कोई ऐसा नहीं करता था, लेकिन आउट ऑफ फियर. लेकिन सब उससे इतना डरते थे, बिकॉज ही वॉज सो पावरफुल. तो सब उससे इतना डरते थे कि सब उसके अपने बर्थडेज में उसको गिफ्ट्स देते थे, उसको सारी चीज़ें ला के देते थे. इसलिए नहीं कि वो उसको प्यार करते थे, बल्कि इसलिए क्योंकि वो उससे डरते थे. Jerry was 8, but he was taller and more than most 12-year-olds. He was much stronger than the other children. If they did not give him their sweets and toys, he would hit and kick them. No one dared to tell a teacher. They thought if they did, Jerry would hit them harder. Now, Jerry was only 8 years old, but he was taller. Means height was such that he would look older than even 12 years old. जो 12 साल के बच्चे होते हैं उनसे भी ज़्यादा वो बड़ा दिखता था. And he was a stronger than the other children. और वो बहुत ही strong था, मतलब बहुत ही मोटा ताज़ा सा बच्चा था वो. और सब उससे इसलिए डरते थे क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़ा था, हाइट बॉडी उसकी अच्छी थी, और बहुत पावर थी, स्ट्रेंथ थी उसकी हाइट बॉडी, और उसका बॉडी बहुत स्ट्रांग था, इसलिए सब उससे डरते थे. इसलिए कोई भी अगर वो कुछ भी किसी से मांगता था, टॉयज़ हो गए या स्वीट्स हो गए, कुछ भी मांगता था, तो ऑल द चिल्ड्रन यूज टू गिव हिम, बिकॉज अदरवाइज जेरी वुड यूज टू किक देम और हिट देम, नहीं तो जेरी उनको मारता था. एंड एवरीबडी वॉज अफ्रेड ऑफ जेरी, सो नो बडी इवन डेयर टू टेल टू द टीचर, नो बडी इवन थॉट ऑफ टेलिंग टू द टीचर, बिकॉज इफ दे थॉट इफ यू विल टेल द टीचर देन इवन द जेरी विल हिट अस मोर हार्डर. अगर अगर हमने उसको बोल दिया टीचर को, उसका कंप्लेंट किया, तो वो हमको ज़्यादा मारेगा. इसलिए कोई भी. Then one day in January, a new girl came to the school. Her name was Amy. She was the smallest person in the class. अब ऐसे ही जो है स्कूल में चलता रहा, वो जो है जेरी सबको धमकाता था और बच्चे अपने टॉयज़ और गिफ्ट्स वो जो भी मांगता था वो सब उसको देते रहे. पर एक दिन जनवरी में एक नई लड़की उनके स्कूल में आई और उसका नाम था जेरी, सॉरी एमी, और वो जेरी के ही क्लास में आई और शी वॉज द स्मॉलेस्ट पर्सन इन द क्लास, मतलब वो हाइट में जो थी वो क्लास में सबसे छोटी थी. शी हैड कर्ली ब्राउन हेयर एंड बिग ब्राउन आइज. उसके बाल कैसे थे? कर्ली थे, ब्राउन कलर के कर्ली बाल थे और उसकी आंखें बड़ी बड़ी ब्राउन थी. शी सीम टू स्माइल एंड लाफ ऑल द टाइम. द अदर चिल्ड्रन सून बिकेम हर फ्रेंड्स. सो शी वॉज वेरी फ्रेंडली. शी ऑलवेज यूज टू लाफ एंड स्माइल एंड टॉक विथ एवरी वन. All the children became her friends very soon. So quickly she became the loved one of the entire class. It was a cold, snowy morning. Emmy and her friends had made a snowman at playtime. Now in the winter season, January is the month of winter, so during the winter season the snow was falling, because the story is of abroad, not of India. तो सर्दी में जो है बहुत सारी जगहों पर स्नोफॉल होता है, तो ऐसे ही स्नोफॉल हुआ था, इसलिए जेरी सॉरी एमी और उसके फ्रेंड्स ने एक स्नोमैन बर्फ़ में से बनाया था when they were playing at the playtime in the school. Emmy was looking at it and feeling very happy. She had an apple in her hand. She was just going to bite into the apple when a snowball crashed into her face. Now Amy was very happy. Amy और उसके friends ने जो snowman बनाया, this was the snowman that Amy and her friends had made. She is Amy. और जैसे ही एमी देख के बहुत खुश हो रही थी कि कितना अच्छा सा स्नोमैन उसने बनाया है. एंड शी हैड एन एप्पल इन हर हैंड. एज शी वॉज ट्राइंग टू ईट द एप्पल, देन अ बॉल ऑफ स्नो केम एंड हिट हार्ड ऑन हर नोज दैट क्रैश्ड ऑन हर फेस. मतलब जोर से उसके मुंह पर किसी ने एक स्नो का बॉल फेंका. Amy dropped her apple. She wiped her the snow from her eyes and cheeks. तो जो हाथ में एप्पल था, that dropped from Amy's hand and she had to clear her face because her face and eyes and cheeks all were covered with snow, because as the snowball crashed on her face, so entire face was covered with snow, so she had to clean the face. She wiped off all the snow from her face. Amy opened her eyes. She saw a Jerry standing in front of her. So after wiping her face, she opened her eyes and she saw that Jerry was standing in front of her. He was laughing and taking big bites of her apple. And by the time she could wipe and clean her face and open her eyes, Jerry had already taken the apple, Emmy's apple, and he was laughing and eating the apple, taking big bites of that apple. हा हा एमी इज क्राइंग, ही कॉल्ड. और वो हंसने लगा, जेरी जोर जोर से हंसने लगा कि एमी रो रही है. लुक हियर एवरीबडी, एमी इज क्राइंग. सो ही सेड दैट ही कॉल्ड एवरीवन दोज वर प्लेइंग देयर दैट जस्ट लुक हियर, एमी इज क्राइंग. एमी न्यू इट वॉज जेरी हु हैड थ्रोन द स्नोबॉल. तो एमी को तुरंत पता लग गया, इट वॉज जेरी हु हैड डन दिस, और उसने ही ये स्नोबॉल जो है मेरे फेस पे फेंका था. शी वॉज फ्यूरियस बट शी वॉज नॉट क्राइंग. यू आर कावर्ड जेरी, शी सेड. तो जेनी को फ्यूरियस मीन्स बहुत गुस्सा था. शी वॉज वेरी एंग्री. एमी वॉज वेरी एंग्री फॉर जेरी. वो जेरी के ऊपर बहुत ही गुस्सा थी. शी वॉज नॉट क्राइंग बट शी वॉज फ्यूरियस. शी वॉज वेरी वेरी एंग्री. एंड उसने जेरी को क्या बोला कि यू आर अ कावर्ड, तुम बुज़दिल हो, डरपोक हो. एवरी वन हर्ड इट. द चिल्ड्रन वेर सडनली साइलेंट. तो जेरी ने जितने बच्चों को बोला था वहाँ खड़े हुए थे, और सबके सामने एमी टोल्ड दैट यू आर अ कावर्ड जेरी. तो जब सबने ये सुना, एंड द चिल्ड्रन टोटली बिकेम साइलेंट बिकॉज दे वर शॉक्ड दैट समबडी इज देयर टू आंसर जेरी. इट वॉज टोटल सरप्राइज बट दैट द स्मॉल लिटिल गर्ल हैज़ फेस्ड द जेरी एंड आंसर्ड बैक टू जेरी, बिकॉज नो बडी डेयर टू आंसर हिम बैक और से एनीथिंग टू हिम. नो वन हैड ever dared to call Jerry's name, but now Amy, the tiny Amy, had called him a coward. मतलब किसी की हिम्मत ही नहीं होती थी कि जेरी को ऐसे बोले कि you are a coward, you are a डरपोक. तो इसलिए Emmy was the first one to call him and in front of so many of them, and she was very small also. No, I am not a coward, shouted Jerry. I can fight anyone in class 4 or class 5. So Jerry was also angry now to hear that you are a coward, made him more angry. So he shouted and said, no, I am not coward. I can fight with any of the student of standard 4th or class 4 or class 5. Only because you are bigger than everyone else, said Emmy. तो एमी ने क्या बोला कि इसलिए क्योंकि तुम्हारी हाइट बॉडी जो है और सारे बच्चों से बड़ी है, इसलिए तुम किसी से भी फाइट कर सकते हो. Everyone feared that Jerry would hit or kick Emmy. So all the children who were standing there, they thought that now it's the high time that Jerry is going to hit Emmy. Someone got a teacher, shouted Sunita. तभी सुनीता नाम की एक जो और स्टूडेंट थी वहाँ पे और क्लासमेट थी, उसने चिल्लाई कि जाकर टीचर को बुलाओ. There's no need to do that, said Emmy. If Jerry wants to fight with me, he can, but it has to be a fair fight. तो एमी ने क्या बोला कि इट्स नो नीड टू कॉल द टीचर. इफ जेरी वांट्स टू फाइट विथ मी, ही कैन फाइट विथ मी, बट देन द फाइट हैज़ टू बी फेयर. मतलब ईमानदारी से जो है लड़ाई लड़नी है, कोई भी चीटिंग इसमें फाइट में नहीं करनी है. What do you mean by fair fight, said Jerry, also who was getting very cross. Now Jerry was becoming more and more angry because all the time the Emmy was nagging him now that you are coward, you should do the fair things. मतलब वो इसको ऐसे सुना रही थी कि तुम डरपोक हो, तुम गलत काम करते हो, तुम चीट करते हो सबको. तो जेरी को बहुत ही ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ रहा था. तो उसने क्या बोला, what do you mean by the fair fight? वो said that means I am not fair. और बहुत गुस्से से उसने ऐसे जेरी एमी को बोला. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट पेज. We will have a snowball fight, said Emmy. Look, I will stand over there next to that tree and you can stay here. Now Emmy told that it's very simple. We will have a snowball fight and I will stand near the tree and you can stand here. We will each make 10 snowballs and hit each other with the snowballs. Whoever hits the other the most times would be the winner. Now Amy started a game that we will make a 10 snowballs each. That means 10 snowballs I will make and 10 snowballs Jerry you make. And one by one we will hit with the snowball to each other. मतलब एक करके हम एक दूसरे पर snowball फेंकेंगे और जिसके snowball सबसे ज़्यादा लगेंगे, हिट होंगे, that will be the winner, as Amy said. मतलब जो दूसरे पर जो snowball फेंक रहे हैं, अगर उसको वो लग जाता है तो जितनी ज़्यादा बार वो snowball उसको लगता है, that time that person will be the winner. Jerry thought for a moment. He was much bigger than Emmy. He was sure that he would win easily. Now Jerry gave a thought for a moment. उसने सोचा कि what should do. Then he thought that I'm much bigger than Emmy, strong, I'm taller, I'm much bigger than Emmy, so definitely I'm going to win easily. I have no problem in playing such a game. All right, he said, but don't you go crying to the teacher when I cover you with the snow. So Jerry said, okay, I don't have any problem, but then you don't go and complain to teacher that you have lost the game and when I cover your whole face with the snow, that means I'm going to hit each and every ball on your face. That Jerry told Emmy. That challenge was there. I won't if you won't. तो उसने बोला कि नहीं, मैं टीचर को कुछ भी नहीं कहूँगी. एंड एमी सेड विद अ ग्लिंट इन हर आइज, मतलब एक चमक, उसको भी ऐसा ही था कि आई एम गोइंग टू विन. विद दैट थॉट इन हर माइंड, हर आइज वर ग्लोइंग विद दैट थॉट दैट आई एम गोइंग टू विन. The other children stood back as Emmy and Jerry began to prepare their snowballs. So all the children who were there in the playground at the time of the playtime, they all stood at the back and they were simply silently watching Emmy and Jerry making their 10 snowballs. Some of Emmy's friends tried to talk her out of the snowball fight. तो एमी के बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स थे, उन्होंने शायद एमी को समझाने की कोशिश की कि ये जो है फाइट वो छोड़ दे, बिकॉज दे ऑल थॉट दैट जेरी is such a strong boy that he is only going to win the game. Emmy will not win. So Emmy's friends tried to tell her that you quit the fight. They were sure that she would lose and Jerry would always tease her. और उनको ऐसा भी था कि अगर एक बार एमी हार गई जेरी से तो as usual Jerry will always tease her. वॉट डू यू थिंक वॉट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट। अब हमको ये सोचना है कि क्या हुआ। तो उसमें ऐसा हुआ कि जो थी जेरी जो थी वो एमी जो थी वो स्नोबॉल फाइट जीत गए और जेरी हार गया। और उसके बाद जेरी जो है ही ट्राई टू चेंज हिमसेल्फ एंड ही देन बिकेम अ गुड बॉय एंड इन द एंड एमी जेरी एंड ऑल द क्लासमेट्स बिकेम द गुड फ्रेंड्स. So, dear children, I hope that you all have loved this little nice story because this is quite related to you as you also do such type of naughty things. You make paper balls and throw on each other. It was snow, then they made snowballs and played with that snowballs. But dear children, always think that if you are strong, if you are taller, if you are stronger, if you are more powerful, then don't try to frighten. किसी को डराने या धमकाने की कोशिश ना करें अपनी उस ताकत से. Rather, you should try to help the weaker ones in your with योर पावर. अगर आप ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग है दूसरे से तो आपसे जो वीकर है अगर उसको कोई परेशान कर रहा है तो आप उसको हेल्प करिए उसको डराने की बजाय. दैट विल बी द राइट डायरेक्शन ऑफ योर स्ट्रेंथ. आप जो अपनी स्ट्रेंथ है आपकी पावर है उसको वो प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन में तब आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं. अदरवाइज इफ़ यू यूज़ योर पावर इन द रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्राइटनिंग एंड हर्टिंग एवरीवन, दैट विल बी द रॉन्ग यूज़ ऑफ द पावर. सो मेक द करेक्ट यूज़ ऑफ द पावर. इफ़ यू आर स्ट्रांग, then help the weaker ones to fight against the bullies. So I hope, dear children, you have understood. Now we'll start with the read and find exercise, textual exercise in the textbook. Dear children, all these exercises you have to do it in your textbook only this time. On the next turn, we will be doing in the notebook. So read and find, complete the sentences. These are your blanks. Emmy was 8 years old. No one liked Jerry at all. Emmy asked Jerry if he wanted a snowball fight. Emmy was eating an apple when a snowball hit her. A new girl named Emmy came to Jerry's school in January. It was the month of January when she came. Now question number 2 is, who said these words? तो समवन मतलब किसने ये कहा था लेसन में, किसने ये सेंटेंसेस बोले थे. दैट यू हैव टू राइट. समवन गेट अ टीचर, इट इज सुनीता. वी विल हैव अ स्नोबॉल फाइट, एमी सेड टू जेरी. वी विल ईच मेक 10 snowballs. दिस अगेन एमी सेड टू जेरी. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय अ फेयर फाइट? जेरी टोल्ड एमी. Now question number 3, these are the question answers we will do later on. Moving on to page number 130 is your textual exercise. This is your word power. Rewrite each sentences using much or many in the place of a lot of. There you have to write, either you have to write much or you have to write many. That means the countables and uncountable nouns you have to see. We use many with the plural countable nouns. जो nouns होते हैं जिनको count कर सकते हैं, जैसे teddy bears है, balloons है, balls है, glass है, cups है, these are all called as the countable nouns. We can count them easily. तो वहाँ पर हम many का use करते हैं. And there are certain uncountable nouns होते हैं जैसे कि शुगर है, मिल्क है, टी है, दोज आर राइस ग्रेन्स हैं. सो दोज आर कॉल्ड एज द अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स जिनको गिनना बहुत मुश्किल है या इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू काउंट देम. दे आर कॉल्ड एज द अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. फॉर देम वी यूज मच. And we use a lot of for both the countable and uncountable nouns. And a lot of is used for both, for countable nouns also and for uncountable nouns also. Now here you have to rewrite the sentences using much, many or a lot of. She took a lot of means a lot of is given, उसके प्लेस में आपको much या many यूज़ करना है. Looking at the noun, whether it is a countable noun, तो we will write many. If it is uncountable noun, we will write much. She took a lot of time to dress up. She took much time to dress up because much is an uncountable noun. यहाँ पर जो a lot है उसके बाद उसका next word आपको देखना है. This word is time. So whether time you can count or you cannot count. Time we cannot count. So it is uncountable noun. So we have written much. A lot of will be removed and much will be written. I had to face a lot of problems in the city. So a lot of problems. Problems is your countable noun. So I have to face many problems in the city. She got many presents on a lot of presents on her birthday. Again presents, which is a countable noun, you can count the number of presents you get. So she got many presents on her birthday. A lot of people were queuing up for the film. Now the line which is made, so we can say many people were queuing up for the film. The children gave their mother a lot of trouble. Now a lot of trouble you cannot count, so it is uncountable noun. The children gave their mother much trouble. So here we will write much. A student has to spend a lot of money on books. A student has to spend much money on books. Here also money is considered as an uncountable noun, so we write much here.